Look at this tough guy. He's a tough guy. He wants me to double it. Okay, I'm not gonna back down from a weightlifting bird. Let's accept this challenge and double our XP. Yeah, new. Welcome back, guys. We're gonna learn some French today. I hope so. Alright. Enchanté, Paul. Je suis Justin. Oh. Turn the volume back. I was scared of a commercial last time I closed the iPad. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Speakers are woofing there on that. Woof. Ooh. Au revoir. À demain. Oh wait. À bientôt. One of those two, anyway. E with a tick. Bonjour, moi c'est Julia. Enchanté, Julia, moi c'est Paul. Okie. I thought this was supposed to be tough. Maybe we're super advanced newbies. Goodbye. Have a good day. I better not jinx myself. Au revoir. Bonne journée. So, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Have a good day. Bonne journée.
Journée.
Bonne journée. Bonjour. Moi, c'est Alice. Enchanté, Alice. Nice to meet you.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Type the English. Goodbye. You have to say goodbye or just bye. Like, have a really nice bye. You know, goodbye. That's a weird. Au revoir. I'm just going to type in bye. Just see if they can. Alright, okay. Bonne journée et à bientôt. So this person is saying goodbye. Yeah, he's saying goodbye, right? That was a tough one for me. I had to think. Goodbye. Have a good day. Au revoir. Oh, et you. Is that how you? This is a little bit tough.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello. Welcome, right? Bienvenue is welcome. Can you cheat?
Bienvenue. Bonjour.
Hello. You can cheat on this stuff? I didn't know that.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. So hello. Bienvenue is
Bienvenue.
welcome. I'm just going to type in what he said. Hello. Welcome. I feel guilty, man. They shouldn't have put that on there, but it's whatever.
Bienvenue.
No, not the slow girl.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Oh no, I can't cheat. Bienvenue is welcome, right? So I guess you can't always cheat. Hey, man, what's going on? Where's my M? Welcome. What? Type what you hear. Oh, they wanted it in French. Ooh. I feel like this cold feeling coming over my body. And there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Oh my gosh. Bienvenue. So Bienvenue. Okay. They're going to test me on that again. See you soon, Marie. That's the first one I got wrong in 3 days. Which is like, 20 minutes. À bientôt, Marie. See you soon? No. Yeah. À bientôt, Marie.
Marie.
À bientôt, Marie. Hello, Paul. Nice to meet you. I jinxed myself at the beginning of this lesson. That's what happened. So I was saying they're all easy. And now the duo bird is flexing his muscles. Bonjour, Paul. Enchanté. Oh, no. How do I read what it... complete the translation. Enchanté. Enchanté. Enchanted. I think that's how you spell it. Okay, there's a Bonjour Paul Enchanté with an E tick. Okay. E-tick. I don't know the names of these words. So have a good day is bonne journée. Bonne journée. That looks right to me. Oh. It's not a Y. So bonne journée. Journe with a tick and an E. Okay.
Bienvenue.
Learning how to type here. I might even get a pen pal in French or something. Maybe we should all type in French in the comments and just say hi. And I'll respond in French, hopefully. Try not to use Google Translate. Maybe I will, I don't know. What?
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue? Welcome, right? Wait, what did she say? Type what you hear. I'm not falling for that again, man. Bienvenue? Bien... Is it one word? Oh, man. I wish I was doing this live so you guys can help me in the chat, you know. Bienvenue. V-E-N-U-E? I don't know, man. I got it right? What? What? Whoa. That's crazy, dude. I thought I was going to get it wrong for sure. Oh, I grabbed this side of the iPad. I'm ready to shut it down. I don't want to hear that loud commercial. So they gave me double XP. Honesty. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to have to take a break after that lesson. My brain is sweating through the back of my head. 600 XP towards the January challenge. What do you get at the end of the challenge? We got to know. Whoa, 6th place? Wow. Let's keep going, man. I'm going to start another video, though. I think that video was kind of long. I lost a heart. Still got 4, though, so I'll be back.